Novant Health presents Vital Signs. Suffering from undiagnosed endometriosis for most of her adult life, Camille Wilder lived a life of pain until meeting Dr. Lewis Lipscomb at Novant Health.
I've always had issues during my menstrual cycle. The cramps were really painful. It got to the point where my periods were like 2-3 weeks long.
Over those years, she had been given a number of different remedies, none of which worked. Endometriosis is a surgical disease, and really the only cure for it is to have a laparoscopic surgery.
Camille agreed to a procedure using the Da Vinci robot, which meant a small incision, less pain, and a quick recovery.
Using the Da Vinci surgical system, I can literally translate the movements of my hand inside the patient's.
And for Camille, getting her life back quickly was a priority.
I didn't want to be down in the bed, so it was really great to have such a speedy recovery.
To learn more, call 718-4245.